What's going on, guys? My name is Colt. If you do not know me, and I decided to put together this series based on psychology to help you guys get that boost in your trading. Nobody is talking about this information I'm going to share, so I suggest that you watch this whole entire series to really get a head start on your trading. Before we go into this information, by the way, all these intros are going to be the same for these videos in this series, but the videos itself will be different. Before we get started, go to the link in my description where it says Instagram and shoot me a follow if you don't already follow me. Also, if you guys want my one-on-one mentorship, send me the word mentorship and me and my team will get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll see if you're a good fit for my mentorship. Now, without further ado, let's get into the series. But prove me wrong. Okay. Do self-development. A lot of the problems we have in our trading can be fixed, so it's not like you're stuck with these issues and you have to live the rest of your life this way. A lot of people have that, by the way. They have this victim mentality. They let one situation in their lifetime contradict how they're going to live the rest of their life. Maybe their boyfriend or girlfriend left them and they're saying, oh, I'm never going to be able to trust someone ever again. I'm never going to allow someone back into my life like that. Awesome. Just because that person did that to you does not mean that everybody else is going to do that same thing to you. Maybe you attracted it in a way. Maybe you acted a certain way that made them act a certain way or react a certain way. So a lot of the issues that you're going through right now can be fixed, but don't live with that victim mentality and let one thing contradict the rest of your life. There's ways that you can fix a lot of your issues. YouTube is great. If you have anxiety, look up how to fix anxiety. If you have depression, how to fix depression. Like, everything is out there. The answers are there. It's just fucking doing the work. And you really got to ask yourself, like, how bad do you guys really want it? Are you just going to sit around and mope? Because a lot of people think that complaining is equivalent to doing something when it's really fucking not. You guys need to get off your ass and figure out what is wrong with me. How can I fix it? How can I be the best version of myself? So you guys should focus on every day. How can I better myself than I did the day before? So a couple of things that you guys can do. Like, if you're an impatient person, meditate or do yoga. Learn to sit down and just let the world do its thing. You can't control anything. And that's how I used to be. I was so impatient. I wanted to control every little thing. And when it wouldn't go my way, I'd freak out and stress myself out, not knowing that, like, peace of mind is the greatest jewel of life. Let me say that again. Peace of mind is the greatest jewel of life. To have peace of mind and just know, I don't have to worry about that. My Heavenly Father's got me. I'm good. And just not worrying about the little stuff that you guys can't control. For anxiety, one thing that really helps me is to go for walks. I go on a walk without my phone. And if you ever are going through something in your life where you need an answer and you can't think of the answer, go for a 30-minute walk. And I guarantee after the 30 minutes, don't take your phone or anything. Just go outside and observe your surroundings. Like, just go outside and walk. Walk for 30 minutes and your answer will pop up. And maybe that's what you need. Maybe you're like figuring out, okay, why am I so impatient? Go for a walk for 30 minutes and just think on it. And then boom, it will hit you and you're like, wait, that's why I'm so impatient? And you're like, that's stupid of me to do that. Why do I get so impatient over that? I can't control that. So, can't control everything in life, guys. I really wish we could. I wish I could say, do you know what? Snap of a finger, I want that new mansion. I want my family to be done. I want them to be retired. Can't. It takes time. And it's not on our time. It's on the universe and God's time. Okay? You can only change if you want to change. Just like I said earlier in this, in the psychology lesson, an alcoholic needs to admit they have a problem first to be able to change. Once they admit that problem, then change will come. So do self-development, guys. You can look on YouTube, Google, get a therapist if you need. Bro, like, I have a therapist for me and my girlfriend. I have a separate therapist. I'm not crazy or anything. Maybe I am a little. But you guys can really get a therapist to internalize and figure this out. It's like someone else the therapist that I have has 20 years of knowledge and cognitive, I can't even say the word right now. I'm really like out of it today, but negative, I can't even talk right now, guys. You guys get what I'm saying. This person has 20 years of knowledge within this specific field, and she can help me understand why I'm doing these certain things to make it easy on me. So it's hard to be your own trading coach, to figure out some of this on your own. Get help. You can find like a therapist. I think there's a website, Path Therapy, PATH Therapy, and you can get a therapist for like $100 an hour. Take like 2 to 4 sessions. Tell them like, look, I'm impatient. I'm an investor. I'm trying to get over this impatience. How can I work on this? And they'll help you fix it. Trading hack. Major trading hack. Record yourself trading every day and go over it after you're done. So if you guys go to zoom.us, it's like the recording stuff that all the people use for COVID talk and with meetings. You guys know what Zoom is. Everyone should know. But you can go to Zoom and you can start a personal meeting and record yourself there. And then once you're done with the trading session, just stop the recording and then go review it. Maybe like keep a file, a spreadsheet of all the recordings with dates so you know exactly what date it is. And then you guys are going to go back in a year and be like, wait, what? That was me a year ago? That's how I traded? Look at me now. Wow, I can't believe how far I've come.
Yo, if you guys are looking to scale your trading business and you want to get to the next level, whether you're just starting out or you already have some experience in the trading industry, you need to join us at Reward Over Risk. We have a bunch of programs like one-on-one mentorship where I actually have a 10-day class where I show you my exact strategies. We have live trading sessions where we get on Zoom calls and trade together as a community. And we also have trading softwares that can trade 100% hands-free for you. We have everything that you need to take over to your trading this year and the following years. But the only way for you to apply for this is to click the link in the description and book a phone call. Once again, click the link in the description, book a phone call, and let's see if you're a good fit to be a part of our community. Talk soon.
Okay? Share your recordings with your trading buddy. I remember I talked about having a trading buddy earlier. If you guys want a trading buddy, you could get one. I know it might be hard to get a trading buddy, but figure it out. And then you could send the recording to them via Telegram. You're like, hey, I just got done trading. Do you mind checking out my recording? And then, boom, share it with them, and then they'll give you pointers. This is a big hack right here. This is really how it's going to hold you guys accountable, because a lot of you might be taking trades to take trades, but realistically, you want to be taking like really quality setups. So what you could do is create an account on TradingView, and then you could post your analysis of the trade on TradingView and say, I'm going short on US 30. I think that it's going to go down because we're already in a downtrend. It just made a lower high on the 5-minute chart. It hit our moving average right here and rejected it. I'm going for 2,000 pips as my take profit to this next golden zone or psychological level right here. And then let people see it, because a lot of people are going to see the analysis that you put up. And then you're going to be able to post it after and be like, hey guys, that actually hit my stop loss, but this is what I should have done and actually done. So it's going to hold you accountable by posting your actual trades that you're taking on the internet for other people to critique it and tell you what you're doing right or wrong. And just, it's really good to hold yourself accountable like that. Make a track record of every trade, and I'm going to go over that in the next slide. So you guys should really let's just go to the next slide. So my FX book is actually where you can link your MetaTrader 4 account to your broker to my FX book. And every trade that you take, it will actually show up on the my FX book. So it'll say the date, and it'll have like a graph from the first trade that you took. And then a year from now, I'll have like an upward trajectory graph going up from your profits that you made. And it's just really like, you guys need to have a MyFX book. I have a couple accounts on there, especially for my investors that I trade with. So you guys need a MyFX book. Sign up for that. Get your MetaTrader 4 link to it. And that's going to hold you accountable too, because I don't know what it is. It's just that visual image of seeing your account start at a current price, and then you just growing it, and just you see that account growing and growing. So it's really cool to be able to see that. There's a ton of features on my FX book. It's free. You can make your account public if you want, so you can share it with other people or someone can see it. But this is really just going to help you take precise trades. So this is also important too, because if you want to get investors, which you guys can get investors, maybe you guys have a net worth of or a network of people with millions of dollars, and maybe it might be your uncle or something or your brother, and you're like, hey, I've been trading for 2 years now. I can show you a track record of all the trades I've taken over the past 2 years, and I could show you the starting balance to the ending balance of today. And once you guys have a track record like that, for 1 to 3 years, you can get people to invest with you. And you could get someone with 100,000, someone with 300,000, then you link it up to the broker, or you could do something like a trade copier where you have your main account and then you have a trade copier that all these other, so you have your main account and then you have like 2 other trading accounts. Those 2 other trading accounts will automatically copy every single trade that you take and then profit on the account. So it's like you're really trading on one account, but you have profit being made on all 3 accounts. So that's what you could do with your investors. That's what I actually do. So once you guys have a track record, like, it's game over. You can get people to invest millions of fucking dollars. This can be a great way to start a hedge fund as well. If you guys are like trying to take trading to the next level, like super serious, you guys can start a fucking hedge fund. And you could have big whales investing like 10 million, 20 million. So it's important now to get a track record. So in 5 to 10 years, you're going to build a network from all the success you have with trading. And then it's like, boom, you're like, yo, you meet some people at an event or something. You're like, what do you do? Like, I actually trade Forex. I have a portfolio for the past 10 years where I took $1 million to $100 million. And I actually do have a hedge fund. I'm looking for investors. All right, show me it. And if you could show me that you did at least 5% plus per year, then I'll invest 20 million with you. And it's like, oh, done. I'm doing over 100% ROI per month, which you can fucking do with trading, by the way, guys. So once they see that, I'm like, wait, what? You did over 500% in 2022? And they're like, yeah. And then 2023, I did 1100%. Then after that, 1500%. Then this year, I actually was down 120%. It was a bad year, but then the next year I bounced back and we did 500%. So it's really interesting to be able to see that on my FX book, to be able to see like your account growing. And it's just dope, guys. It's going to hold you accountable as traders. But I think I gave away all my secrets. The last video is going to be some next level shit for you guys. Okay, so I'll see you on this next video, and I know you guys will love this next video. Let's fucking get it.
Not a lot of people made it to the end of the video, but you did. Make sure you share this video with a friend. Also, comment below. I want to know who you guys are and how I can help you guys out with your trading. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping weekly videos every single week on trading to help you guys out. Look forward to seeing you guys soon.